Okay, so if you've got a Mac and you want to put an emoji in, you're probably thinking, why isn't it easier? If you're on your iPhone or your iPad, there's a button there when you're doing a message or using something to put it in. But it's not so straightforward here on the Mac. Well, actually, it's not that difficult either. If I switch over to Messages here on the Mac, in the bottom right-hand corner, I've got a button where I can just tap, I can put in a search, and I can choose something here. Let's just get rid of that. Of course, everything around it is blurred because I don't want you to see all of that. Let's just go back to Word. So in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or many others, all you've got to do is hold the Control, Command, and press the space bar, and it pops up. And then you can choose what you want. So I can choose that one there, and I can make it bigger. I can change the font size. And there we go. So that's in. I can search by going Control, Command, and Spacebar again. And let's say I was looking for something, say cat. And there you go. There's a whole bunch of cat ones there. And I just tap on it and it's in. Let's just switch over to PowerPoint. So here in PowerPoint, you can just click, and again, it's just Control, Command, and Space. Let's pop these paws in here, and again, I can just make them bigger just by clicking or by choosing a font size, or even just typing it in. So if I do that, there we go. And of course, you can highlight it, and if you want to, you can copy and paste as well. So I could paste over to another document as well, which is going to come in handy in a moment. Okay. Just quickly into Excel, and you can put it in here in Excel as well. I'm just going to click here in the formula bar, Control, Command, Space, and again, I can find something there. Maybe let's do one here. Let's actually search for number, and maybe this 100% will look good here. And again, I'm just going to increase the font size as well. Now, the one that did throw me was when I went to Photoshop. So let's just flip over to that. So I'm here in Photoshop. I'm just going to take my text. I'm just going to draw a box in here. It puts the default text in. And I thought, well, if I get rid of that, let's just delete it. Control, Command, Space, didn't work. So what I did is I went over to Word, and it could be something else as well. I'm just going to copy this cat one here. Let's hit copy. Let's go back to Photoshop, and I then let's delete that, and I pasted it in, and again I can highlight it and change the size. So there we go. So if you've got an app where it's not going in there, that's how you can do it. It's just by copying and pasting from another app. I hope you found this useful. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe. Maybe you want to put something in the comments. Maybe use an emoji to say how you feel about this video. And I hope it's good. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do come back for more.